Pete here. Welcome to today's video, where we will tackle a common problem that developers face when working on string manipulation functions. The problem we're looking at involves the need to provide users with two options when using these functions: creating and returning a new string with a manipulation applied, or updating their existing string in place. Now, diving into the solution, we have a clever approach to address this issue. By utilizing a namespace nameString, we have defined two functions for converting a string to uppercase. The first function, to uppercase, takes a string reference and modifies it in place using std for _each. The second function, also named to uppercase, creates a new string, calls the first function to update it, and then returns the modified string. To sum it all up, we've effectively eliminated code duplication and provided users with a clean and efficient way to manipulate strings in C++. I hope you found this solution helpful for your own string utility class. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!